Welcome to 2022 Innovative Cars YouTube channel. Before starting this, if you like this video, ring that bell and subscribe to our channel for future updates. 2022 DS4 revealed. Peugeot Citroën's premium brand, DS Automobiles, has revealed the first of its new generation vehicles with the second generation DS4 hatch. The C-segment hatch is set to take on prestige small cars like the Audi A3 and Mercedes-Benz A-Class range. Underpinning the new DS4 is a version of the EMP2 platform already in use across a range of Peugeot, Citroën, and Opel models, including the 308 hatch, C5 Aircross SUV and mid-size 508 liftback and wagon. According to DS, the platform used for the DS4 is composed of 70% new or unique parts compared to other variants. That means, despite dimensions similar to that of the new Citroën C4 and a range of shared powertrains, the DS4 isn't as closely related to the C4 as it may appear at first glance, thanks to the latter's CMP platform, though there's still plenty in common between the two. DS lists key dimensions for the DS4 of 4.40 meters long, 1.83 meters wide and 1.47 meters tall, making it around 12 centimeters longer, 2 centimeters wider, but 6 centimeters lower than the last DS4, sold in Australia as the Citroën DS4 before being discontinued in 2016. A sharper face, slimline LED headlights with a new lighting signature and flowing bodywork contribute to the brand's new look. Anchoring the athletic stance are wheels up to 20 inches in size and a planted lower sill, underlining the sculpted door surfacing. Unlike the fully electric Aero Sport Lounge concept, the DS runs a selection of known Peugeot Citroën powertrains, topped by the plug-in hybrid E-Tense, with a 132 kilowatts turbocharged petrol 4-cylinder engine paired with an 81 kilowatts electric motor and rated to 165 kilowatts combined. The system drives the front wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission, while at the rear torsion beam axle provides compact packaging in place of the more sophisticated multi-link suspension available on prestige rivals. DS claims the plug-in hybrid system can provide over 50 kilometers of WLTP range in zero-emissions mode. Other engines in the range include 95 kilowatts, 132 kilowatts and 165 kilowatts petrol engines, and a 95 kilowatts diesel option. All match the same 8-speed automatic transmission like the exterior. The interior refines some of the previously heavy-handed DS styling elements and opts for a cleaner and more modern look. Anchoring the interior are 3 digital displays, with instruments, infotainment, and console controls all handled by separate screens, simplifying the interior layout. Long a defining element of the DS brand, the heavy diamond motif has been all but removed for the new model. A new head-up display crosses into augmented technology territory with a 21-inch display area that, rather being filled with info, can project information about vehicle speed, driver assist systems, and navigation within the driver's line of sight, using an optical illusion to place the info onto the road 4 meters ahead of the windscreen. Along with watch strap leather seating surfaces, a new DS air ventilation system hides the center vents of the air conditioning system behind a Sabre-style trim element, providing draftless ventilation to the front seat occupants, backed up with traditional outboard vents. Interior finishes, depending on the styling package, are available in leather, Alcantara, forged carbon and wood. Two-tone interior colorways are also offered, as is Nappa leather trim with the upscale Opera interior option. Those after a more athletic flavor will find an Alcantara trimmed dash, doors, console and seats in the performance line. Other available features include Level 2 autonomy via traffic jam assist cruise control with radar camera giving a 75-meter range of view and allowing new functions including semi-automatic overtaking, speed adjustment for corners and anticipated speed recommendations from signposts. A night vision system is also offered, using an infrared camera with a 200-meter field of vision to detect pedestrians and animals at night. Matrix LED lighting, with 15 dimmable lighting segments and the ability to turn up to 33 degrees through bends, is also available. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.